In this video, we're going to learn about how to assign a vehicle to a driver in our partner panel. First, we need to either register or log in. So, we add our register email ID. After this, we enter our password, hit the Submit button, and then click on the Account button. Now, let's go to the driver section. To assign a vehicle, it's important to ensure we have an approved vehicle. Admin approval is required, and without it, we cannot assign the vehicle to a driver. However, we can check for approved vehicles by going to the Manage Vehicles section. Here we have two vehicles, a Creta and a Verna. Both of these have been approved by the admin and are classified as a sedan type of service. Let's head back to the driver section. Here we can assign a vehicle by clicking on Assign Vehicle. A pop-up will appear, and here we set the service type and the vehicle. First, we select the service type from the list we manage in the Vehicles section. The vehicle will automatically appear. If we want to assign the Creta, we simply click on Creta and then click on the Submit button. The vehicle has now been successfully assigned to the driver. If we wish to remove it, we simply click here then on Remove and Confirm. The vehicle is now unassigned. We can reassign a vehicle in the same manner. Just click on Sedan and then Submit. This concludes the flow of assigning a vehicle to a driver in our partner panel. Thank you for watching, and I hope you now understand how to assign a vehicle to a driver using the partner panel.